This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2019 Gold Rush Autographed Jersey Baseball 2-boxer eBay break on September 9th, 2019. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got D-Laker 1 with the Athletics and Blue Jays. We got Chit WN Kid with the Orioles, Red Sox, Indians, Rockies, Royals, Marlins, Yankees, Phillies, Giants, Diamondbacks, Reds, Dodgers, Pirates, Rays, and Nationals. We've got MICHAE Criswell 8 with the Rangers, Jag-Nut with the Cardinals, Lobo 133 with the Mariners, J.A. Miller 01 with the Padres, Legend to Be, Braves, Cubbies, and Astros, Parmanel-0 with the Mets, Big Muddy 1031 with the Twins, Jam 38 with the Brewers, Boys Life 36 with the Angels, J.A. Miller 01 also with the Tigers, and Big Jim 847 rocking the White Sox. That is your full lineup. Okay, 2019 Autographed Gold Rush Baseball Jersey Edition. 2 sealed boxes here. And we're going to get your first jersey open here. Plastic coming off first. All right. Cracking the seals. Honky, that's funny. All right, here we go. First jersey coming up, coming at you. Good luck, everybody. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got here? Got your JSA certification. First jersey coming at you, front and center. Oh, Mr. Longoria. Wow, that is a gorgeous looking jersey. Flip this one around here real quick, guys. Get a good look at the front. That is absolutely gorgeous. Got your auto on the 1 there. Your JSA cert there. On the Longoria. Ah, Mr. Evan Longoria, that is going to the Giants. CHITWN Kid rocking the Giants. Nice Evan Longoria. Giants. It is weird seeing him in that Giants uni. But that's a very nice autographed jersey. Good start. Jersey number 2 here. That's true. You're right about each row. Alright, let's crack the seals here. Jersey number 2 coming your way, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. JSA certification. Mr. Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez. I love it. The Tribe. Wow, do I love that. I love how it says The Tribe, too. That is sweet. Love it. Jose Ramirez. Absolutely love it for the Indians. I love it. The Tribe, too. I absolutely love that. Let's keep that nice and packed in there. The Indians. Congrats to the Indians. CHITWN Kid. Congrats to the Giants. Congrats to the Indians. Two gorgeous autograph jerseys. Guys, thank you so much for breaking. Of course, really, really appreciate it, guys. Still got another break coming up at 11. Mini helmets. Stick around for those, guys. Thank you so much. Do appreciate it.